What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Get the lights on here. Today we are gonna work on the exhaust. I'm getting tripped up by the dogs here, but I just went and bought this bandsaw so I can cut some pie cuts. So that's a new tool added to the garage here. This is the piece we're going to use here. Going to try to make some pie cuts out of this straight piece. We actually ordered this bend thinking this would turn and come out, but it's not sharp enough. The header comes out real close to the ground there, so we're going to have to make our own bend. So I guess we're going to get this thing unboxed here and get it together. Harbor Freight Special. Get them real flimsy little legs on it. Oh shit, I just broke that. Just like oh, yep. Guess we'll toss that down here.
All right. All right, hit the on button.
Hit the on.
Put your arm in there.
Safety first. So here's our test piece. It's gonna take a while, ain't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing's running like slow. I could cut 5 pie cuts with a grinder.
Perfection takes time, bro.
This is gonna take a long time.
It's gonna be perfect.
This is going to 3 months of building exhaust. This thing going that slow.
Oops. There's our pie cut. Yeah, so that's gonna work out. And then to make our perfect, damn, it's gonna flip over. I just flung it up.
Don't do it down no hill. This thing can start cooking it on the wheels.
Good thing you caught that, because I was just gonna flip it up. Shit. That thing would have been on.
Put that dent they had.
Yeah.
That's probably how they got that dent.
All we need is like maybe the die grinder to clean up the burrs.
That's cool as hell right there.
Right there.
Cut it and cut off.
Perfect pie cut. It might be a little thin right there.
Yeah, I was supposed to say.
It might fatten
With
it
us
up.
being welders, we might need to fatten that a little bit. That might be a little, we might burn right through that little piece.
Yeah, it's a little bit small. Alright guys, here's our little thing we just made. We just took some of these staples and nailed that down. We got us a measurement here of 1 3/4, which is half of 3 1/2.
Where's your level? You got a little level there to fit this?
We're going to scribe us a little line on here. Hopefully that little line will
You're going to have
shine.
to hold that end of that pipe.
I'll flip it around. Ready?
Yeah. Hold up. The end staple came out. Make it two lines, bro.
Oh well, it'd be close enough. So now, when you measure now, it should be 1 3/4 when you know it's straight. I guess back here. 1 3/4. We'll go ahead and cut it. Yeah. Start our pie cuts. Whoop, whoop.
If I put the pipe and the muffler on there, it's gonna look gawky. It's not gonna look good no more.
So all that stuff you bought.
Yeah, it's gonna hang down way too much right there.
I agree. I do agree. Let's show the people. Let's show y'all what's going on here.
It looked like we're trying to put Corvette pipes on, side pipes.
Side pipes.
Might as well put some of the mesh on there, call it a cruiser.
It's not a cruise.
Nah, this is cruiser stuff.
Alright, see, this is what we got. We got the cab mount right here. So we got to go under that. And this is going to be hanging way down. Unless we pie cut it and go in there.
But it's still gonna be down right here.
We still going to have this snake.
Yeah, that's gonna look gawky right there.
So what he wants to do is just turn it out and come over here and we'll stop it right here. We're just going to have some little side pipes.
Yeah.
Little, I don't know what you call them. I don't know, I think we can teardrop this thing though and make it look nasty right there. I believe.
I think that's what it needs. It needs to look nasty.
We cut those collectors off a little bit. They hang a little low. We're gonna try to get 2 inches off of there, or as much as we can, whatever we can get off of there, to where it's still round, where we can get that pipe welded to it.
Can you hold that?
The nut, yeah, I got it.
Can you turn it?
Yeah. You down there struggling.
I can't do nothing.
I could have done this a long time ago. I'm sitting there watching you struggle and shit. And that was fun for me. Alright, that should slide off there. Just slide on out.
Mm-hmm.
We'll cut about 2 inches off there. Alright, so let's mark this teardrop. I guess we're gonna have to eyeball it.
Maybe right there.
This is how we did this.
Oh shit.
So that's what we're gonna cut out.
Cut it backwards. That's what it's gonna be. We messed up.
Alright, now we can go out there and test fit and see what we need to do. The 9 Oh yeah, we got the thing too to put on, so it's gonna stick out some. The V-band.
Damn boot. Without a heel. You put a heel on, it's a damn boot.
Yeah.
Cowboy boot.
Boot scoot.
Boot and scooting buggy.
Boot scoot boogie. Run downtown, turn around, then down. Boot scoot boogie. How's it go?
I don't know.
You want 20?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be.
Good morning. Nothing. Keep it moving.
You doing buy this?
I just went and bought this bandsaw.
How much was it?
Alright, so next we're going to add this other piece on. Look at that thing we built. Ow, it's hot. It looks good.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I did. It's hot, ain't it?
That's the hot one.
I thought you was tacking it. Looked like you welded it. Shizzing it out of it. You got it on there.
It's on there.
It is on there. Dang, boy. We fab shopping up in this. It's fab shop. I think it's kind of cool looking.
Can we turn it in? Against more?
We can. Yeah, that'll work, dude. Alright, so we can go ahead and get this little bit that we got welded up. Go ahead and weld this whole piece up. And then we can take the collector off and weld it to that. We'll be done with one side. People update.
Gas. No gas. Perfect pimple.
We started welding on it, forgot to turn the gas on. it wasn't working too good.
We was turning the welder up and down. We didn't know what was going on.
Yeah, so we got a turkey turd over here and a pimple on this side. So this one's a little bit different, but it's a different side. So
Yeah, it's a different side. It's always different.
it can't be the same.
I welded the pipe. I didn't even weld the crack. The crack is on this side of the weld.
What do you mean?
Look closely.
Oh, okay.
You see the damn crack.
That's Mount Racemore right there.
Bonnie and Clyde right there.
we got a little hot right there. We came in a little hot. I was headed right down the side of it. I'm like water, I just go straight. I don't follow.
Find the lowest point. Keep rolling. Put water on shit and call it gravy.
Sure we can. Why can't we? I'm people just like the other people. They people's like me. Shit. What they can do, I can do. But I can do better. I can do anything better than you. So you can. You ever heard that song? Anything you can do, I can do better. I can do anything better than you. No, you can't.
Ground. Snakes out wow right there. I'm way crooked as hell, but yeah, look at that. It's a dragon's tail.
That's a seahorse. About the same height.
Yeah.
We almost made them identical. Doing pretty good though. You want to mark it with a marker and take it off and weld it?
Yeah, I got a marker right here, but I
Can't mark it. Now you gotta get it back the way you had it. In the same spot.
Everything. A few marks on it.
You good? Like square and everything?
No. I was, but I got nervous. Started concentrating too hard.
Yeah. You ready?
Yep.
Nope, you just stabbed the door.
I'm beating hell off the truck. That's exactly what we was looking for, right? Look at that. Just look at it. You got to turn a little more than that.
Yeah.
It's going to go way back.
Yep. We're probably gonna have to do some pie cutting, some more pie cutting and building. We're gonna have to turn it back and then maybe turn it this way and out.
There ain't no turning there.
Good thing we went ahead and built both of them. Well, we thought we was getting somewhere. It looks good like that too. Alright, we got this thing marked and we got plenty of clearance this time. So we're gonna tack weld that and then build off of that to come out to our tips. So exhaust number 2.
People update. Yeah, better cut the pipe again. We made these big ones, these big pies. Shit, just grab it right at the wheel. I mean, it ain't gonna burn you or nothing.
You got it on backwards. Why it ain't fitting right.
Oh. Yeah, that was looking half stupid, wasn't it? I wasn't even paying attention. I'm paying attention to this stupid V-clamp.
We got our full turn radius. Not hitting nothing. That's nice.
Yeah, I'm happy over that. I am that. I like that. Get the little mufflers and all that. That right there is hot.
Here's all our little welds. So now we gotta duplicate this to the other side.
It is different. Told you. Every damn side different.
And we just assumed that it was gonna be the same. Went ahead and cut it. We done marked it and cut it.
Yeah, we need to put that back.
So now we gotta weld that back.
Sitting the same, ain't it? Looking over there and looking here.
Yeah. It's pretty close.
Ain't that some shit?
That is some shit. Alright, we got that welded back on there after we cut it off. So now let's go put it on there, back on there, and measure it this time. Or I don't know, I think he's gonna eyeball it.
Hot mess right there.
This is his fab shop. This is where we get shit done. Time for a people update. And he's gone.
People update. What'd you say?
Yeah, people update. Anytime you
put
ready.
these bung holes in here.
Some bung holes.
Because it only has, what, 4 or 5 threads at the end of that?
Yeah,
You're supposed to, it ain't gonna go that deep.
that's what I said. Them some big ass bung holes.
It is a big bung hole.
Oh yeah. It's like you putting a fowler in it
Yeah.
to keep it out of it.
Bring it over here.
You're almost dead on both of them.
Cause I know on a regular car, all of this sticks in there.
That's on the cruiser.
That's
No, not a cruiser.
on the cruiser. Get the fuck out of here. Oh yeah. It ain't even gonna stick in there far enough to read anything. That's what come with it. Does the instructions say cut it?
Oh, you got just a tip.
Yeah, just the tip.
See the tip?
The tip.
Yeah. That's supposed to read it.
Only you.
It's just enough to sniff it.
So how you know that goes to that side? You don't, do you? Because we built it. Play a rock and roll song when it's sitting right up. When the birds come out and flying in the foreign light. You just get tired. Yeah. Oh shit. Ball in the ballroom blitz, ballroom blitz. And then motherfucker be like, whoa! Fire, baby! Spin tires, lighting fire! Woo!
This is what we got. That's all we got. That's what we got. Real quick, I just want to thank everybody for subscribing, liking, comments, and all that stuff, supporting the channel. We appreciate it. Well, I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya. You gotta watch the videos. We got commercials now, bitch.